Hey there, Bradley here with Ink Stores, and today we're going to be talking about garage tiles. So sit back and get ready to learn how we can upgrade your garage flooring. There are two main types of garage tile. There's the hard plastic tiles, and then there's the soft PVC plastic tiles. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, but depending on how you want to use your garage, one might be a better fit over the other. Let's start with the hard plastic tiles. Our hard garage tiles are made up of high quality, impact resistant thermoplastic polymer. That means these garage tiles are highly durable, their color won't fade, and they're chemically resistant too. Hard plastic tiles are perfect for custom flooring designs. You can choose something as simple as a checkboard pattern, or you could even go all out and make an 8-bit style pattern. One of our customers even used our flooring design tool to make an image of Mario and put him in their garage floor. Now, let's go through the pros and cons of hard plastic tiles. On the pro side, hard tile doesn't stain easily, and it's mold and mildew resistant. Since hard tiles have water-permeable interlocking joints, there won't be any water left on the surface, so the risk of slipping is reduced. Plus, people love how easy it is to put together the garage tile flooring. On the con side, hard tiles can be loud underfoot, and the water-permeable joints can allow for debris and dirt to get underneath the tile. Some tiles, but not all, can actually expand when they're introduced to high temperatures or direct sunlight. When they expand, they run into colder tiles, run out of room, and then buckle upward. If you plan to work under your car a lot, hard plastic tiles probably won't be a good fit for you. The hard surface may not be the most comfortable to work on, and the rigid plastic can break under the weight of the car jack. There are a few ways to address these challenges. First, with the debris getting underneath the tile surface, you can easily hose that away and down a drain. If you have an area of your garage that sees more heat or direct sunlight, you can try the vented tiles because they won't absorb as much heat. You can glue down tiles to avoid buckling, and we even have expansion joints to allow more room for movement. The second type of garage tile is a soft PVC plastic tile. This flexible tile is a custom PVC blend that offers the anti-fatigue qualities of rubber flooring and the chemical resistance of PVC. Soft PVC plastic tiles are known for their durability, long life, and comfort. Let's run through the pros and cons of soft PVC tiles. On the pro side, this floor easily absorbs sound and temperature for a quieter, more comfortable floor. It's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry if your car brings in moisture or if you have a big spill. DIY mechanics love the soft PVC tile for its comfort and its resilience. You can work on your car for extended periods of time without a problem, and it can even handle the weight of the car jack. On the con side, soft tiles aren't as design friendly as hard tiles. Tar and some car tires can also stain soft tiles, leading to that less than perfect appearance. You can also still experience some dimensional instability with temperature changes, and the consistency of the tile will soften dramatically with extreme heat until the cooler temperatures return. You have a few options to address these challenges. Stains from road tar can be removed with a product called Purple Power. While stains from car tires can't be removed, you can get black tiles that won't show the marks. You can also lay a rug over regular heated areas to prevent the tiles from expanding and overheating. Now that you know more about both types of garage tile, it's time to learn about tile surface patterns. Each pattern has its own unique benefit. Diamond, coin, and vented pattern tiles provide the most slip resistance. Vented tiles are also ideal for drainage areas. Smooth and textured tiles allow for easier movement of rolling chairs, tool chests, and workbenches. Slated tiles are meant to be more stylish and functional, but they still provide some slip resistance and work with rolling objects. So what should you choose? Hard plastic tiles or soft PVC plastic tiles? Hard plastic tiles are best for housing high-performance cars that offer a potential for staining. These chemically resistant tiles will keep looking great even if there's spills or drips. Hard tiles are also the top choice for people who want detailed designs for the floor. Soft PVC tiles are great for any garage. More practical garages especially, since soft PVC tiles are so durable. If your garage doubles as a workshop with rolling cabinets, soft tiles are a great option. Even if you just want to deck out your man cave with a comfortable floor, this is the way to go. And that's everything you need to know about garage tile flooring. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Maybe leave a comment down below letting us know what tile you chose for your project. And as always, you can reach us at garageflooringinc.com.